got carbon ceramics like the Spider. It's a Spider, like my Spider. And it's Pininfarina, like my Mazda. Maserati. So, just got home from holiday. And look who's arrived. Hello guys.
Hiya.
Hello there, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Yeah, the Ultimate Road Trips crew is here. Hello.
How's it hanging?
So what's going on?
Yeah.
My drive's turned into a supercar meet.
This is a good point.
Look at this.
Looks brilliant, man.
Do a quick walk around.
Starts to say Ferrari.
This doesn't happen every day,
He said that last time.
but I said that last time. And a new car seems to arrive on my drive very frequently at the moment.
Carbon? Yeah, carbon insert's quite rare, that is.
This is basically like a combination of my Maserati and the Boxer Spider, because it's Italian, which is like the Maserati. It's got carbon ceramics like my Boxer Spider. It's a Spider, like my Spider. And it's Pininfarina, like my Mazda. Maserati. You said Mazda, I've got it out from you.
Yeah, Mazda Gran Turismo.
Very nice. Lightweight seats. We like.
Carbon by the seats.
Plenty of carbon.
So launch is your version of launch control, is it, Math?
Right.
But you press the button. Have you done a launch mode yet?
No.
Does that kill your clutch?
No.
No?
He said if you were going to do it, he said what Ferrari recommends is you do one, if you're going to do it on a track, you do then one lap
Right.
to cool the clutch down
Okay.
and then do it again.
Fantastic. Is it dual clutch, Math?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
You got the all-important carbon fibre driving zone.
Oh, that sounds good. And you have no screen there because you've got 3 screens here.
Carbon buckets, Phil.
Carbon buckets, yep. Like my Spider.
Yeah.
Alcantara insert.
Yeah, nice actually.
So you what have we got options on here then? So we could basically do everything on here.
That's the all-important UK bumpy road button.
Yep. Then you got engine start. So we've got
I can actually confirm that
wet, sport, race.
Yeah.
It makes such a difference.
What's CT off?
That's fun mode.
Okay, and ESC off.
So basically,
Basically everything.
Well,
You did the wipers on here and everything.
yeah.
Incredible.
So you go that way, this way, and behind there, there's a button as
There's
well.
buttons behind. I've got to get this in the shop.
So, button there.
Oh my goodness, yeah, so there is.
Um,
Oh, that is a massive carbon fibre paddle. Now that's what my Maserati is lacking. My Maserati has a paddle that's that big, but it's not carbon fibre, which would be very nice.
Indicators. This little here thing's called the Manatino.
Yep.
You've got obviously the bumpy road button. You've got the headlights, and you go both ways. So you use the back bit in there. There's also further controls round the back here as well. Yeah, down there. Another buttons down.
And
the
you
back
have to do all that when on full lock. You need your lights on and oh my god, where are the buttons? I've all of a sudden engaged race mode.
Nice. There's a blue 488 there, and they.
Carbon ceramics,
Lovely.
of course. Who else do we know have satin black wheels?
This would have been the spec that I would have chosen had I.
We all started out life, well you and me started out life, with wood trim in our cars.
That's true.
And it's changed quite a bit since then.
Yeah.
Maybe other people have. Who else started out their motoring career with wood trim in their dashboard?
Where we started. Where we all
It's
started.
a good start. I like it.
Wood trim ended up with.
I like it a lot. Battery level low, exchange battery. Oh no! Hold on. Don't do it yet.
So, but you have to start the car to do the roof. You don't have to, but he said if you don't do it, he said you'll find because it's a really small battery that when you go to start it, more than likely the battery will be flat.
Right.
Because it will just zap the battery of all its power to take the roof off.
Right.
So he was a bit sort of like
Small battery.
yeah, small battery. So when you start it up on the key here, all the little lights come up and stuff like that, which is quite nice. So.
Has it got one of those Formula 1 steering wheels? Yeah, mate, you got a Michael Schumacher steering wheel?
That's great.
Oh my god, there's another vlogger! Get off my patch!
Hey, get off, this is my shot, this is my shot!
This is my territory, you
Wait.
vlogger! Give me some exhaust! Nice! Oh wow, look at that! It's quite a big piece, isn't it?
And it was really nice nice on the handover that the guy went round with a socky pad, and put it on the Ferrari thing, and to move them round so that they were all dead straight.
Very nice. So Matthew, what do you think from your first impressions on your 458 Spider? Is it the best car you've ever owned?
It would be
You can't tell at this
It'd
stage.
be an unfair comment for me to say, because obviously you always get a honeymoon period, don't you?
Yeah, you do, yeah.
But it is really, really, really nice.
So let me just set the scene. It's a nice dry day.
Yeah,
Sun is shining.
yeah.
You've got an epic road ahead of you.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you take, the GT3 RS or the 458 Spider? Ooh, decisions. You could have the roof off and listen to the soundtrack,
It would be,
or you could have the epic handling of the GT3 RS.
at this point in time, it would be the 458.
And do you think that's just because of honeymoon, or?
The sound is just incredible.
Well, it's Italian.
It's so
It's
great.
what they do best.
The handling, and it just feels so great, and the power there's a lot of power.
Yeah.
And then with the roof off as well, it just adds another dimension to it.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
570 brake horsepower.
Something in that region, yeah.
How much does it weigh?
It's not slouchy.
Let's not get into top trumps because we all know who's going to win. When my Tesla arrives. Oh, he's grinning from ear to ear like a Cheshire cat. I like a good game of top.